Hi, this is Michaela Stroud, your 4-H program assistant for the Southwind Extension District with another video for our Southwind Stockpot series. Today, I am making beef vegetable soup. So let's go ahead and make the magic happen. Alrighty, to begin with, the ingredients that I use for my version of beef vegetable soup is really just depending on what vegetables I have on hand and which vegetables are my favorite. So I have a can of green beans, a can of whole corn, a can of sweet peas, a can of dark red kidney beans, a can of diced tomatoes and peppers, and a container of chicken stock. For my seasonings, I really like to add garlic, pepper, and then this is a mixture of seasonings called a hamburger deluxe, where it's onion, a couple different herbs, salt, and different types of pepper combined. To begin with, I'm just browning ground beef, which you need 1 to 2 pounds of, and I'm just getting that brown into our pot, which I have already salt and peppered as well, just so that the meat is seasoned by itself. For our next steps, the ground beef is now completely brown and I have drained off the grease. We are just going to go ahead and add our canned vegetables. For the canned vegetables, I did drain the majority of the moisture out of them, just because I like the flavor of a beef or chicken stock more compared to the juices of that. I did not drain the tomatoes and the peppers of the diced can because I just really like the flavor of that, so I left that juice there. I'm going to mix this real quick and then we'll add our last ingredients. Alright, I stirred the ground beef and all of our canned vegetables in there, so now it's time to add the chicken stock. This is a 32-ounce box container chicken stock. I like mine to have quite a bit of liquid to it. However, if you like yours to have less liquid or more, you can add more or less depending on the desired amount you would like to have, if it's more soupy or not. And last but not least, I'm going to add all of my seasoning in there. I think it takes quite a bit of seasoning for a good vegetable beef soup. However, again, depending on what you would like out of your soup, how much you add. What it looks like after the chicken stock and all of our seasonings have been added. So now I'm just going to put the lid on and then turn down my flame to where it's medium. And then I'm just going to let this simmer for about 20 minutes so all those flavors can combine and everything is warmed up to the same temperature. Alrighty, that has been about 20 minutes of simmering, so let's go ahead and take a look. Ooh, it looks really good. If you stir. Alright, it is now time to serve it in a bowl and let's enjoy. So this is my version of vegetable beef soup, and again, it's really up to you. What vegetables you like, what you want to include, how spicy you want it, or savory. So now I have it in a bowl, and you can add any toppings that you desire. I personally like to add a little bit of cheese and eat it with some crackers. However, it's up to you. Remember, it's your stock pot, so you get to control it. But until next time, we will see you on the next episode of the Southwind Stockpot series. Bye.